Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Previously, on Momoko is a genius-san, The Montreal on Canada, Part 3.
Wanna be friends.
Oh, sí. You wanna be friends with you. You will protect you since te revive you.
Okay, let's hang out, so I can meet your friends up, Kimberly.
Madame Momoko, congratulations, you are a mommy.
Wow. Thank you Mr. Dr. Bernardo. I hope me and my husband will be the child's parents of the Japanese Filipino from his and my parents.
And also I will take care of my child, because I'm an actor in the Philippines, which is in place, ABS-CBN.
Vel, mi vif en hier sortirez-vous mi vif loin au job un té Montréal hospital, tant qu'il fort guinto té Montréal général hospital, en a vagové.
Wow. I remember my mom got me out of mom's belly in 2007. After when I was born in 2007 in Mendoza General Hospital, and also I got birthmark in my face the mole one until 2024.
And when I was born in 2008 in Japan. Fish in Japanese number, 2008. Because we love our child.
Yep, I hope Jengas doesn't go near us anymore. Because William revived Jengas from the graveyard cemetery in the Philippines. Well, when I ask when Usain, do you ever who is Russian singer, Sergei Lazarev. He is actor and singer in Russia, before Sergei is getting married with Andrea Torres.
Yeah, let's go back to the hotel room for 4 months, before we leaving the Canada. My baby, I am going to be a mama right now, because he is your father. I hope he will take care of you. Hello, this is Kimberly.
Yes, I'm Adelia's friends. I have something to tell you about your husband.
Okay. What is about my husband?
Well, I caught my friends uploading a sex tape while I was inside of my friend's house. Because I already sending you on your messenger.
Wait, my husband?
Yes, check on your WhatsApp and see what your reaction to Adelia's videos from Pornhub. See you later at the bus station.
Holy mother of God. I better check on my fat sub she is doing with my husband. Oh my God. He is cheating on me. Please don't tell me this has a new sex tape.
Hey honey, what's wrong?
Han, did you cheated on me? Who uploading about you have sex with your classmate? Who's that girl over there in her house?
Oh, shit. Adelia is the one uploading sex tape?
Yes, you won't believe that idiot Adelia made you. I am so angry at her.
Okay, look. I'm so sorry. But I don't cheating on you, because I love you. Because you are my, not even Jenga's Rudolph. Because she made me.
Okay, we going to see a stupid bus station to see a stupid your classmate. Let's go.
Hey, Momoko Pedro, what are you doing?
Adelia, did you know that you used a Pornhub account to upload a sex tape with my husband?
What? What do you mean? I don't know.
Adelia, I'm serious. Did you have sex with me in your house, and then you uploading videos about sex tape on the Pornhub?
Hold on Han. Let me talk to your classmate.
What? But what I do?
Did you know I just found your video of the name, Sex Tape from Pornhub? Take a look your sex video on my WhatsApp on my phone.
How did you know?
Just answer my damn question. Did you do this?
Sí, that's my porn video. That is WHY my friends. Because I have uploaded a sex tape. What did you grade classmate?
Adelia, you're in so much trouble, Missy. I'm calling my parents to going to regret on you, you stupid girl.
I don't know, estúpida.
Liar. I am going to fight you, because I am stronger than you.
Stronger. Pintesanisme más fuerte.
Hey, Adelia, stop fighting with my wife. Stop hurting my wife, you bastard Hispanic girl.
Oh my god, I think I am going to have a birthday today. Han, help me. Take me to the hospital.
Don't worry, Momoko. I will taking you to the Montreal General Hospital. I'm extremely furious with you, you stupid Hispanic Adelia. This is all your fault.
Adelia, I saw idiot Jiden San Pedro again.
Yes, you must keep Momoko's baby. I'm not having a baby with Ruslan, hiding.
But, are you kidding me, Adelia?